Hello mga ka-kitchen! Welcome back to Kitchen Time with Anna. Today, ang cravings natin ay Korean Spicy Stir-Fry Squid. Tara, let's start! For the sauce, kailangan natin ng 8 cloves of finely chopped garlic, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of sugar, then mix all together. Mag-start na tayo magluto. Heat up your pan, add a little bit of cooking oil. Then, stir-fry natin yung 1 white onion and the white part of the green onion. 2 stalks itong ginamit ko. Once na mag-soften na, i-add na natin ang 1 head of cabbage na slice ko na into small cubes. Don't worry kung mukhang marami siya. It will wilt down kapag naluto na. Then, kapag soft na yung cabbage, pwede nang i-add yung 1/2 kilo ng fresh small squid. Pwede na rin natin ilagay yung ating sauce. Lalagyan ko lang to ng mga 1/4 cup of water para lang mahugasan at walang masayang na sauce. Haluin lang natin very gently para maging well-distributed yung ating sauce. Cover natin to for about 2 minutes lang. Mabilis lang naman maluto yung ating squid at ayaw nating tumigas siya. For the finishing touches, maglagay tayo ng 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, green onions, and some sesame seeds as our garnish. Patayin na natin yung apoy and ready to serve na itong napakasarap at maanghang-anghang na spicy squid stir fry. I hope you can try this too.